Hey there, future funnel wizard. I want you to imagine something. It's 3 a.m. You're staring at a screen showing $0 in sales. Your coffee's cold. Your cat's judging you. Again, that was me 2 years ago. Today, that same funnel just hit $50,000 in sales, and I'm giving you the exact template that made it happen for free. No upsell, no, but first, join my $2,000 course. Just you, this template, and a future where your bank account finally matches your ambition. Part 1. Why funnels beat hustle porn. Every time, let's be real, you've been fed the hustle harder lie. Wake up at 5 a.m., post 27 reels a day, sacrifice your soul to the algorithm gods. But here's a secret: $50,000 months aren't built on effort, they're built on systems. One client of mine scaled to $50,000 per month selling a $27 ebook using this funnel 5. How? Because funnels automate trust. They turn strangers into fans, fans into buyers, and buyers into walking billboards for your brand. Part 2. The $50,000 Swiss Army knife funnel. This ain't some vague theory. It's a battle-tested machine with 5 stages, each proven across 7-figure wellness brands 24. I call it the Lead to Profit Expressway, the lead catcher landing page, no fluff, no life stories, just one irresistible freebie, e.g. 5-day money manifestation challenge. Pro trick: swap PDFs for a gated training portal. My close rate hit 55% when I gave value before the pitch 16. Why? People don't buy transformations. They buy paths to transformations. Show them the path. The value volcano email sequence. Forget buy my stuff emails. Your emails should feel like a therapy session crossed with a rock concert. Example: Day 3, how I turned ramen nights into 10K months and why you're one mindset shift away. Humor hack, subject line: you left $237 in my funnel. Awkward. The conversion climax sales page. Here's where magic happens. Use story-based authority content 16. I was $50,000 in debt when I discovered offer stacking. Not gonna lie, I cried. Then I made $18,742 in 72 hours. Here's how. Psychology gem. Pair pain points with your failure story. Relatability equals credit. Part 4. Your 50K blueprint, no magic required, leans into camera. I won't lie. Building this felt like assembling IKEA furniture in the dark. But then, a yoga teacher used this funnel to sell $58,000 in online challenges. A financial coach monetized his free ebook into $27,000 a month, 59. And me, I finally took a vacation that didn't involve checking analytics from a beach hut. Closing. Rally, your turn to win, music swells. This template isn't a handout, it's a hand up, a declaration that you're done with almost making it, done trading sanity for sales, done letting imposter syndrome rent space in your brain. So here's your mission: download your free funnel template, link below, replace my face with yours, please, my eyebrows scare people, hit go before doubt sets in, because guess what? The world isn't waiting for another mediocre funnel, it's waiting for yours, for that offer only you can make, for that story only you can tell. Ability. The profit booster order. Bumps and upsells. That $27 ebook, it's a Trojan horse. Add, order bump, get the companion toolkit for $7, 90% off. Upsell, join my live Q&A cohort, $197. Data, bomb, one funnel generated $70 in back-end sales per $37 front-end offer 5. The autopilot re-engagement system abandoned cart, send a meme. Did your cat step on the close button? 30% off rescue link here. Part 3. The not-so-obvious optimization hacks traffic greater than tinkering. 80% of failing funnels just need more traffic, not prettier buttons. Quarterly traffic sprints on 1 to 2 platforms. Test the weird stuff. My top-performing email? My mom said this offer sucks. Was she right? Spoiler, $12,000 in sales. Launch like a rinse and repeat. Pro, open cart windows 2 to 4 times a year. Between launches, let evergreen funnels hum along, ready to turn browsers into buyers. Smash subscribe for more zero BS growth tactics. Like this video if you're done with the feast or famine cycle. Share with a friend who's one funnel away from freedom. And if you want the full toolkit, click the link below for the $50,000 funnel ebook with 27 templates, the high conversion copywriting manual, the $1 Million Mindset audio series,